Hey you guys, it's your girl Beckany. I'm here today to make a bit of a longer video because I now have IGTV as well as a YouTube channel. So I'm so blessed to be able to make longer videos for you, more content from your girl Beckany. I am doing a little bit of a different makeup look today. So you guys are used to seeing me either no makeup or I'll do sort of a smoky eye. I am doing a shimmer today, so we'll get a bit closer so you can see. I'm doing a shimmer on the lid and a bit of a shimmer on the face and a more nude lip. And honestly, I was really nervous to show you guys this because it's just so dramatically different from what I normally do on my videos. And so I did the makeup, I put the look on right before I was going to shoot, and I was like, oh my God, like, they're just not ready for this. I'm like so anxious, like I had a full panic attack, and I actually went to the hospital because I thought I was having a heart attack. And I got there and I like went to emerge and got to see the doctor, and I was like, I did like a shimmery eye and a nude lip, and I just thought like they want to be ready, and it got me so worked up that I thought I was having a heart attack, and they were like, no, you're fine. Anyways, here I am. So today's video is kind of all over the place. I'm doing a few things. So first of all, I got my new bracelet from Beckany, and the only thing with that is I'm working on getting a new discount code because I did officially change my name to Beckany. I'm just Beckany. So we're working on that. Another thing I'm doing is I got a sponsorship for nectarines. So I have my bowl of nectarines here, and they reached out to me and they said there's a lot of confusion surrounding the nectarine community, and you know there's a lot of confusion about what's a peach, what's a nectarine. So I didn't do the research, but I figured I'll eat a nectarine and we'll make this kind of like an ASMR video. So it's what they call like a rambling video. So I'm going to eat a peach or whatever this is, and I'm going to just ramble about my day, and I'm also going to put hair zoodles in. So I don't yet have a sponsorship with hair zoodles, but I just think they're so fun and so cool. So I'm gonna put them in while I eat nectar peaches and talk to you guys about my day, about my life, about my week. Okay, so here goes. And I'm not gonna do it in a whisper. I'm gonna do it in like a low, like quiet voice, and I'll make like yummy noises that the ASMR people like. So, okay, here we go. So first of all, I'm just gonna stir. A nectarine. Pew, 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 pew. Okay, so we're doing a rambling video, and one of the things I'm gonna do while we ramble is put hair zoodles in. So hair zoodles are basically noodles for your hair, and what you want to do is first you'll brush your hair with a brush. You can wet it a little bit, zoom, zoom, pow, 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 pow. And so I just wet my brush, and I do a little bit of a brush like this. And you can just wet your hair a bit. Just gonna take another bite of my nectarine. Okay. I hope this is relaxing for you guys. This is, I will say, I would recommend you don't watch this while operating any kind of heavy machinery because it can make you very, very sleepy, relaxed. Okay, so the hair zoodles work like this. You take a piece of hair and you just wrap it around your zoodle, and then you zoodle it up like this. It can be a little bit frustrating And then you you pull out the plastic bits. And you just kind of stick it together like this. So that's one zoodle finished. And then you would just do that all the way around your head. I guess I'll just finish off the video by doing a little bit more ASMR. I'll sing a quiet, dreamy song for you guys that I made up. It goes like this. You are you every day, and in the bathroom you forget sometimes who you are. Mirrors help with that, but when you go and look into the mirror, you see a person that you don't remember. Because who am I? Who am I? I look at myself and I picture a woman who's 10 years younger than me, who doesn't have her rage vein in her neck yet. But then I see myself and I go, ah! Okay, love you guys so much. Bye.